So I'm here at Vinoy Park in St. Petersburg. Decided to do some videos. So I've been like literally playing with the animals, like no joke. I mean, I had it, I'm gonna post these too, but I had one squirrel come up to me and like it was listening and responding to me, which was pretty cool. Like we communicated. And then a bunch more on my next video. I literally just started gathering. I was like, these are really friendly squirrels. And now I'm like just looking around and looking at all the little birdies. Aw, it's a little cute birdie over there, and that one over there too. You know, animals, they give us messages. You know, that's why we have animal totems and stuff, because each animal is telling us something. I mean, besides the fact of actually communicating with them. But, like, it's cool how each animal is designed with a meaning behind it when you come in contact with it. And I find that's pretty fascinating. And it's like Spirit's way of saying, well, hey, pay attention to blah, blah, blah category, or whatever it is. It's like secret signs of spirit. Except they're not that secret, because you can just look it up on the internet now. Or, of course, you know, tapping in is actually a better way of going about it. Because Spirit will literally just be like, you're asking a question, you know, like, why did I just see the squirrel? So why not ask her higher self, Spirit, you know? Why don't you ask? It's a really good idea, isn't it? Another way to use that psychic muscle. Ay, Dios mío. I don't know, it's a beautiful day. I'm rocking the bananas. Now, if I see a freaking monkey or gorilla come up to me, I am gonna be a little shocked. I'm not gonna lie. I know I'm goofy. It's all good. I guess my point of this video is when Spirit's trying to tell you something, whether it be through signs or animals, allow ourselves to open up to receive the message. We could ask Spirit for clarity on what that message is. Like a direct, you know, this is what I'm saying. Like, it's always good to ask for clarity. But yeah, it's pretty darn beautiful out here. Look at that. That's beautiful. Wow. All right, I'll let you guys go. But remember to look out for signs. Even the sky tells a story. And check out my YouTube channel, Kevin the Meditating Jew. Please subscribe and leave comments and all that cool stuff. All right, talk to y'all later. Over and out.